Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title is Generic and Efficient Construction of Attribute-Based Encryption with Verifiable Outsourced Decryption. Now we discuss about abstract. Attribute-Based Encryption ABE provider mechanism for complex access control over encrypted data. However, in most ABE systems, the ciphertext size and decryption overhead, which grow with the complexity of access policy, are becoming critical barriers in applications running on resource-limited devices. Outsourcing decryption of API ciphertext to powerful third-party is a considerable manner to solve this problem, since third-party is usually believed to be untrusted. The security requirement of ABE with outsourced decryption also should include privacy and verifiability. Namely, any adversary, including the third party, should learn nothing about encrypted messages, and the correctness of outsourced decryption is supposed to be verified efficiency. We propose generic construction of CPA secure and RCCA secure API systems with verifiable outsourced decryption from CBA secure API with outsourced decryption respectively. We also instantiate our CBA secure construction in the standard model and then show the implementation of these installations. The experimental results show that compared with the existing scheme, our CBA secure construction has more compact ciphertext and less computational cost. Moreover, the techniques involved in the RCCA secure construction can be applied in generally constructing CCA secure APE, which we believe to be independent interest. Now we discuss about flow diagram. Now starting the process, enter the users or admin and then going to the registration form. The registration form is finished and then going to the login frame. The login frame checking the ID and passwords is correct and go to the process selection. If it is wrong, then go to the login frame. The process two ways: the file upload, another one file download. The file upload choose only admin, file download choose only users. The file upload is choosing sometimes owner, then going to the next file uploaded. The file upload is checking the duplications in cloud server. The cloud servers store before the file is encryptions and then saved the cloud server. This is same file is go to save auditor server and then finished process. Now we discuss about users entry. File download choosing the users, and the user is ID and password is again checking the cloud server. The correct, go to the next process. If it is wrong, return the user sections. The cloud servers return to the get owner the ciphertext. The ciphertext is the owner names. That owner names is sent to the auditor server. The auditor server is giving to the descriptions. Decryption file means the partial files. The partial files give to the file downloads the original plain text and then finish the end. Let me see the demo. Now click home page and then right click run file. This is a home page and then now click this text name. So this is a login page. So now you join. So this all field you must be filled. Username yoga and then email ID yoga at gmail.com and then using password yoga and the confirm password. It is same green H. So using this key, this is his attribute. This attribute is based any process it will be running. So saved, registration successful. So now you log in yoga at gmail.com and then using password yoga. So login is successful. This any users can upload file or download file. So now you're choosing upload file. Are getting another checking process in cloud side. So get the email ID, get the private ID. So this is also encrypted successful, and then again private key. So send cloud. Then now you start cloud server run. So this is a server frame, encrypted email and private key. So now we view decryptions, email name, and then this is attribute based process, attribute key, private key. So now checking the private key, user key is correct, the user key is wrong, it is sent. Get the status, the user key is correct, so it will go to the next frame. The user key is wrong, it is revise this frame. So now browse the file. So now choosing file, so you can choosing any text files, schedule. So now get file size, and then this file is encrypted. The file is encrypted. Now we view this encrypted data, and then this encrypted file is get size. This is content size, plain text. This is encrypted size, and then get private key. This private key is encryption file is. So this is a based on attribute. This is also attribute key. This key is file. So this key is also encrypted, and then send server. So now start cloud server. So this is file checking. The file checking is encrypted private key and then decrypted private key. This is a file key. This is also attribute, and then get the file name, schedule. This checking the duplicate process. No duplicates occur. This duplication occurs based on content. Now save and then send status. So owner get status, no duplicate occur. The private key save successfully. The private keys means encrypted data is only stored cloud. Okay, so if you again file uploading, so you can enter the 1, and then if you download the enter frame, so you enter the 2, and then if you do exit, enter the 3. So now I can download, so enter 2. Okay, so this is ciphertext key list. Get ciphertext key. This is also already saved the owner list. This is partially key. Now get key. This is yoga. This is also get key. What do you this is a owner list, and then now I am get my keys. So send proxy. The proxy server now start run. So this is proxy server. So get key and then file name. This is a owner, and then guest all file list, schedule. Already send the Java text. So send request. Get the request, receive file list. So this is all file list, you can download it. So next downloading frame, get yoga owner name and then get list. Now choosing this file, schedule. So download, and then go to the graph. Graph is data outsourcing time seconds in paste. This is existing. Now get to the minimize the time 10 seconds outsourcing process, and data retrieving file size byte. Now get the 50 bytes, but existing process 25 bytes. Process selections. Process selection means if you like again file downloading, enter 1 as your same process. So now exit. So enter 3. Finished. Thank you.